dear ne one I was say how as a Ghanaian. I was say how. They also how and say are there people in Ghana today and more Ghana today. Video no mutuana lady ni ye yoka hello achrom no. Mo amohwem won kan ni kumase na modidi lady na tem no. Mo be ma mo batena sa classroom no. No. Why? Because you don't see Momba say such a classroom crampo na osa Momba tena ho no mo ye de musua de. Now, if we don't tell the story, how do we know that these things are happening? All right, let's watch this video. After that, I can't say me.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning, class. How are you? Good morning, class. How are you? Good morning, class. How are you? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning, class. How are you? Good morning, class. How? Good morning, class. How are you?
Okay, sir, content creator way, madam. You have to be warned. What you say? So what you say? What you are doing is against the GES code of ethics. What you say? I mean, make it make sense to me. How come say students and pupils at this age don't know a simple response to give to a good morning? Madam, where you one now name share who say who baby creative content, you want to use them to create your social media.
Madam, me nim nipa oye, but me sure I'm say we will be a winning a fee kakra. I don't know your position. Me din the Dabila Mahama. Madam na oye posti sa video no. Your friend Kubra Dabila oye me chiri be mi no. Mame baako papa baako. Mame di kan correct one year content creator 1. 2, when you're national service personnel. Meaning say, oh yeah, linked to GSR. I would like you to do your findings. A krone de Karaga. E watamale. Karaga, obiti Karaga. From Karagano to baby a minian e chradie. E honum ka nkoho, ka enkoho. Moto ne koho. Moto no, enyeso ukadab. Usre will be no the widen or the wako. Go and ask my sister, say, what was his journey to Karaga? Go and find out from GSA. Ever since that school was established in that village, teachers saying alcohol, headmaster saying alcohol. O maybe so say, ye wo wabuchire ne yedi twi kasa tete wana. A wonnim sa akola bi betimi awo Ghana hanom at the age of 15 ebi kura kakra wo hu da. Why na ekwa chiano, how are you? Amanide a brofo answer. Minyana content creator. He's a newly posted teacher or national service personnel or a national service or commerce swami. Nanka we nya chomfo ni bia anke posting nanka wonko. Se ekrono GS has been there forever. Nanka minyana koye no ohene wo kromo ka kire ne se mesra otena se na kire me manade. Wose mesra otena se na kire me manade. Na asase kura me de bechew opa akofa wunua be ma bibra na o meka ho ha ne yemma na asase who enama o teacher ni bi officer if the place is not a remote area minya ko di sum na bebo mamane say bra ba bia me na menim kuro na me choose no ba bia woni de but I know the love a minya no woman kola even time a oye na national service obi oye national service all worry no na school ni nyina hye uniform aba beja no. That shows the lava or what a demand colano. And colani nyina ba beja mi nua. O na ifrase. Akro na mo was 28 years was ahi. Wo hu baby a woko. So wo catch me say, mi nua no e fake say wo catch them colani say, how are you? They should good morning. They should respond with how are you are because she is creating content. Ask yourself, say, school da animo tutu. And also to 2 years already creative content. If you are going to deal with any member of the Dabila family, prepare yourself logically, physically, and spiritually. You can never use my sister as a scapegoat, just as you use teacher Kodu. Don't try it, madam. Logically, let me cite an example for you on the same video that you are complaining. Classroom, no mean the tutu classroom is already be creative content. The dining condition or non a year so they be creative content. Go and ask your GSA class sign a WhatsApp school. Classrooms sign a WhatsApp school. Go and ask after the history of Sabia establishing school, the teachers saying and actually they were honor. Na ko busa se minua na ko ye no. Ko busa krom ho and under your comments some people were answering, wa shada na you can't seek the consent. Look, she even posted the water that the people drink. Won fama o kraman ponom. And the people were like, "So we be chako we ase na we ase abeboa ya chako." Today as I'm speaking to you, last night I was talking to her before I saw your video. I said, "Bra, I'm for aba me DM mu so person mo boa village no. Eya mo ndwen positive no. Na mo jai negative na egum ho fin because of mo niam bi amanye." GS no, me too mo for ba ko fo nsan so nyame ani kata. Senka mo accept na mo bie mu anka mo be hu the ordinary Ghanaians boa mo be boa mo. Teacher kwadwo kofa bae mo sabotage no ene meti ekwese wa boda mo seden. But here, don't dare any member of the Dabila family. Ye free so komenje kona kobusa. Say ye hemfa. Kobusa say namasa ye hemfa. Kobusa say sampa ye hemfa.
Mo say ko se bi maba. Now see in so no e style be. Abula.
Enye bula tintu.
Na ye.
Ye tunu kitwa bi se ya nti okotia na wo ya nkakra ya wie ma. No shugu.
Hey.
Nti kita silver.
Silver ketwa. Now o se salan kitin na de agu we ni.
Eya ma no shugu jaka.
Tina mo che. Oh. No de kwa na sister ko. Nkomro. Kafra. Hey! Handsome, beautiful. Hey! Clap for yourself. In fact, you've done well. Hey, Mercy. Hey, Peter. Beautiful. Hey, Nana. Uzeni. Hey, Nana. Hey, Mercy. Hey, Mercy. Hey, Mercy. Hey. Attention.
Now, the reality here is this teacher, video I'll share, where should we have a problem with? Then I was say how as a Ghanaian. I was say how. They also how and they say, are there people in Ghana today? And Ghana today. Video I know what to lady ni ye yoka hello achrom no. Mo amoshem won kan ni kumase na modidi lady na tem no. Mo be ma momba tena sa classroom no. No. Why? Because you don't see momba say such a classroom crampo na o say momba tena ho no mo ye de musua de. Now, if we don't tell the story, how do we know that these things are happening? If we don't share the story, if people or the teachers who are the first point of contact don't come out to share the story, how are we going to know what's going on in Ghana? This is in Karaga. The town name Dibili. Now, how many of you guys you have no idea? Do you know the MP? Karagaso. This is the MP of Karaga. The former finance minister, Amin Adams. This guy. Or no NIA or the MP for Karaga. Now, Mumbusa mo say, guy we obedi finance minister no. Sika sign or the code the Krum Koya campaign. This guy, Amin Adams, is the MP there. Otin Kranoke kam kwasiasam. Odu akra na o defend achimfo. Waban kran ena achimfo na niegu on ode ne ketrema efa. Where he comes from, the bia omoto abama ne mane ba akra no. This idiot has refused to deal with the fundamental issues. Now, the fundamental issue in the day, the fundamental issue is that you cannot have kids in 2025 Ghana be living in this kind of condition or studying under this kind of condition, and you say, when a teacher pulls her phone or his phone to tell you the only teacher and what they are going through or experiencing now, you sit there and you say what? Oh, the teacher is a content creator. If all content creators leave Accra and go to the villages to bring us what is happening in the villages, do you know what will happen in Ghana? If all these stupid content creators, some of these stupid content creators in Ghana, some of a stupid fool like Ame Adebra, Kwasi Ampenywe, and called the content in the Sohori, and called the Konkurasi, and I look for a story, but the Ekosu Nkrasia. Oji Sanketia. This guy, how many years has he been an MP? Karaga. How many years? He was the finance minister. Let me show you the water they drink there. And this is disheartening and pathetic. And some people of Ghana, what do you say? Ghana ni nyina ni Kumasi, Ghana ni nyina ni Accra, Ghana ni nyina ni say yedin komo Kumasi any Accra. Problem ni nyina solve it. Into between social media, any TV so they are speaking big grammar and they think everybody is stupid. They think say on bebube, no one can kwasi asama. Everybody is sorted. Not everybody is sorted. This is the reality on the ground. This is the water they drink. This is the water they drink.
As a newly posted teacher in a remote area, look at the kind of water that we use here. Very bad. It's very, very bad. It's very bad. See, that's the water they drink. The kind of water we use here is just something else. The water they drink. See, come and meet them drinking this water. Please, my God. See, the way she's drinking the water, this little girl. You don't see anything wrong with it. See the kind of water. What are you using the water for? This water. Do what? Bath. Huh? Math. Drink. You want to drink? Say, I want to drink. Say, I want to drink. Ah, okay. Fetch your water, eh?
This is the reality on the ground. So what has the teacher done? Kwasia wote bantamanti ya baye nsuo bi ho na wonom. Inti wo bi o karaga so onye nipa. Kwasia mpanyi wote Cape Coast. Inti ya baye nsuo. Inti wo party no MPP Kwasia 4G almost $58 million. Over $58 million di Kosi Cathedral Ekoto Foundation. Kwasia mama yenka. Jimmy for politics e Jimmy Wunti. Eye wa ban na ebetwe mo montumi amboa o MP nie. Kwasiampe you watch now, you become budget. We don't understand. And that Mahama people, they didn't Kwasiampe you heli krom. Kwasiampe you heli krom. Mumuzan say time I year to abanisika se no diko krom ho. Okochiche sika ema bontene so for beso ebesa sisifia. Now what we have decided to do nene say Mr. P. What we have decided to do nene say the young lady or your teacher this particular place Dibili. We are going to give her a motorbike. Her brother should try and contact Elikem Kotoko. We are going to give her a brand new motorbike, and I'm going to give her a cash sum of about 30,000 Ghana cedis. I'm making sure say every single child in that school, no, every single support to be to be supporting Korano school, no, on Fama San Korano. So from Ochina, we want to reach out to her. We will personally send her a message. Kubi Love 7. We have a fresh motorbike for her commute. Obefri fie na wakwa do school akwa chire nkorana de no. We have a brand new motorbike for her, which basically I bought for her. It's in Ghana, which is there. We have bought the motorbike. It's there. We are going to add 30,000 Ghana to it. And Korana will be here little things like stationery. Any idea? I don't know. In her own power, whatever she can do with that money to help those kids, on try. We are trying to talk to some support from here, donors, to bring some few things to Karaga. That community, school bags near the day, we are taking the initiative to make sure, say, we will reach out and to get the supporter. My team, we are on standby. We will be sending a message to this lady. She can link us to her brother. We will give the motorbike to her. It's a brand new motorbike that will help her with her commute. Baby ote ene baby okochra no your man fresh motorbike. And also we are going to add 30,000 Ghana cedis to it. Only 15,000 Ghana. In fact, only 20,000 Ghana. Now fan support in Korano with their stationaries. No rankasana and 10,000 Ghana. And so entono for her expenses going back and forth. School. Tomorrow they can reach out to us, and then my team will reach out to her and the necessary support. In fact, should also let us know the things they need immediately, that we can, through our platform, we can raise some funds for her. Our target for her is between 50,000 and 100,000 the day we officially start to raise the funds for these kids. The message is clear. The motorbike is ready. I bought it with my own money. It's sitting there in Ghana. Yeah, the 30,000 Ghana cedis back home. It's what we know. And this brings me to what John Mahama said in his State of the Nation. John Mahama made a very good point. On sana girl ni nuano ekano. Or see, baby a girl no koe no. On hinene koe pa girl no say yes, stay and take care or teach our kids. Meaning the elderly there no and not in no, they need the help. And because we have neglected such places, no, politicians are taking advantage. Amin Adams no. But today he stays in Accra, wears Vietnam suit, and thinks say omo karagano. Nikromono and that community, they are stupid. And that is what we want to change. Now, what we want to do, say, we are going to help and change what is happening. John Mahama can send me in his State of the Nation. Let's listen to John Mahama. You understand why John Mahama is a visionary? Why I was a customer NDC it's not a BEMU for years. And it has got to do with this girl. Situation at Kosovo Karagano, remote places and Kofoko Chradie. The NDC government, John Mahama by and say, no teacher, and Obeko baby a cross toa yemfa 20% and can say they are going to add 20% to teacher nibi obegia tum say Obeko cross toa say de Obeko Chradie and also say there is no way a buying we basic school dan teachers bungalow enka. This is what a visionary leader does. This is what a party omunim nyansa. This is what they do. Let's listen to John Mahama on the State of the Nation. The Okafa a year what his government would do for teachers, when they start basically helping. This is John Mahama. Mr. P, Mr. S, I need that video. Mr. S. All right, get me the video. Inti, Sautie, John Mahama State of the Nation. Mr. S, point the video out to me, please. Sautie, John Mahama State of the Nation. Oyani Claire, Okatakyie say, teachers are omo person mo kochra de we nkurase no. They are going to give them 20%. They are going to add 20% to their salaries. Send they at least they will be enticed to go there. Na teacher when the teacher goes there, the teacher needs to have a place to stay. And it's not John Mahama and this before say from this time there is no way I will see any teacher bungalow without adding a school, without adding teachers bungalow to it. I'm trying to find you the State of the Nation. Mr. S, thank you very much, team. Yes, I have it. I have it now. All right, so we are going to go listen to John Mahama as some kind during the State of the Nation about teachers and the package the government those teachers. Thank you, team. All right, there's the video.
Mr. Speaker, to promote inclusion and equity, the government will enhance and resource the Islamic Education Unit to recruit more Islamic and Arabic tutors for English-Arabic schools. We will establish STEM and TVET schools in underserved and peri-urban communities. We will provide scholarships to brilliant but needy students in deprived communities, especially for study in law, medicine, and engineering. We will support Islamic colleges of education with infrastructure and logistics, and will enroll youth in Zongo and deprived urban communities in the National Apprentice Program and offer free technical and vocational training. Mr. Speaker, it is important to continue to retain and motivate our teachers in all schools, especially in the rural areas. Government will begin plans for the implementation of the 20% allowance for teachers who agree to serve in rural schools. District assemblies are going to be involved in this scheme to ensure that the teachers are present and teaching in the schools that are selected. This scheme will reward such teachers for their sacrifices and ensure quality education nationwide, not only in urban centers.
This is what the president can say. Teacher Nibia we teacher training, we national service, we cross it no. 20% allowance na eno enso ha ono na buying from today. School dan bi anwa ye be see a yemfa teachers bungalow encounter. This is reason. This is wisdom. We nyansa. This is what you need as a third world nation. These are the kind of leaders you need. Enya kwase bi obeka che say okosi cathedral. Enya kwase ampenyo obeka go see one district, one factory. Abra onim where to even start. Abra onim nipa na de nipa ni here. So these are things we need to take serious. And anytime I catch Ghana for say, John Mahama and the NDC, they need to stay for 42 years. Because if all these things are implemented, so John Mahama to make sure say teachers are 20% allowance, people will be enticed. There'll be a lot of young men, young women who want to go into the villages and do what? And teach our young people. And it's not just going there to teach. They are going to also make sure accommodation is available. It is a buying. Then the government is thinking about the teacher, the welfare. The government is thinking about the kids and how they are going to have quality education and good contact with their teachers. And this is what we have been praying for all these years. This is what we have been asking for all these years. That we need a government, we need leaders who can think out of the box and bridge problems so that when we are solving them, it will be one stone solving 10 problems. And John Mahama is using one stone to solve about 6 problems in a minute. Because Sausi school, na Bangalo Kamwa, teacher accommodation is sorted. Some teachers who travel from far distances, they have a place to stay. Secondly, some allowance. So many people would like to go into the hinterlands and also the villages to teach, to make sure that the quality somebody in Accra is getting. They are getting the same quality of education. So a president who thinks out of the box is not the usual, we are going to help eradicate schools from under trees. You need to have a pragmatic policy, a strategy to change the problem. And this is what we need to support. And if we are able to support this for the next 42 years, every single village in Ghana, every single town in Ghana will get a school with a bungalow. Every teacher will not be homeless. Teachers will not be spending their money on rent. Teachers will not be thinking about where to sleep. Teachers will now be thinking about what to teach and how to teach proper. Let us all support this government and its initiative. This is not going to start or end today. We need to support it for a long time. Into the 42-year agenda, no, it is part of it. Into the nursing training or teacher training. Also, say this is also part of a broader picture, a broader agenda by the NDC government to make sure the right thing is done for teachers. And the same applies to nurses. As we speak, hospitals are John Mahama and the NDC are saying they are going to make sure they put them to work. And Ofori, they are going to put them to work. They are thinking about the nursing school. They are thinking about the unemployed graduate. They are thinking about how to change lives. And this is what we need to support. This is what we need to push. This is what we Ghanaians want. It is not about rhetoric. It is not about jargons. Stupid sisifianyum, enye ejimisem, enye kutia, enye wedye, meya santini, meya huneni, enye tribe. It's about bringing pragmatic policies. Policies that will change the lives of the people. And we support this from John Mahama, and we will support anyone who is willing to go to the villages to teach. The allowance will be there for you. John Mahama will make sure it is implemented, and then your accommodation too will be sorted, because from 2025, there is no school like Besia, teachers bungalow and John Dramani Mahama is your president, and he has said it, and he's going to do it.